Today I am going to show you how to make lanterns, giant lanterns. I have already made 3 of the lanterns. The things to make the lanterns are 1 A4 paper, 1 scissor and 1 stapler. First you have to fold the A4 paper in equal like this. You have to measure it if it is equal or not, and now you have to press over here and fold it and hold part, and it like this it will be, and which will be this middle of the A4 paper. This will be folded, and you have to cut this one, the middle one A4 paper like this, and you have to go, and this one you have to cut it full, not this much. This is small. You have to cut it the bigger one, and it's this much, and you have to keep it over here. And now you have to cut all of it this much. You cannot cut it full. You have to cut it more than half, but you cannot cut it full. And how much you have to make it equal in shape or size. It cannot be equal, but you have to try to make it equal. Like this. You have to cut it more than half, but not full, this much. You cannot leave in middle. You have to cut the full one. Now it's like this, and we fold like this. Now we have to fold like this, and when I cut the last one full, that is over here, and it is over here. Now it is going to be used. Now the stapler is going to be used. Now it's like this. You have to keep like this and stapler, and you have to take the stapler and you have to stapler it, and it's over here like this, and again the stapler, and it's like this. Now that last one, cut it, it's over here. Now you have to cut it in a little bit smaller, a little bit you have to put this like this, and stapler. You have to put it straight, this straight, and you have to be careful to stapler over here. It's staplered. Now again in another side. Now it's like this. Now the lantern is ready.